Welcome. This is a short video on how to download the I2O Configurator. Configurator is the program that you will use on your laptop to configure your I2O loggers and enable them to communicate with your I2O platform. Download the configurator. First, log on to your company's I2O platform. Once logged on, click on your username at the top right hand corner of your screen. From the displayed menu, select Downloads. A list of available downloads is displayed. Click on Download Configurator. Save in an appropriate location on your computer. Use the same process to download the settings files. Launch Configurator after installation. Click on the Configure Settings link. Click Select Tenant File. Then select your downloaded settings file. Your selected settings file will now appear in Configurator. Click Add to load files. Your configurator is now ready to start configuring loggers for use with your I2O platform.